Richard, you took an ally, you turned him into an enemy, and just out of your own incompetence. We never gamed your system, not in the slightest. So you got it wrong, and you're not man enough to admit your own mistake. You're continuing going on and saying it's, that guy's fault, that guy that we banned. And well, I'm that guy, and you're full of shit. Your site's a fraud because if the video views that are showing there do not reflect actual traffic, that's a fraud. And perhaps it's not a malicious fraud, but it may be because of your own incompetence. And you're not man enough to know when you made a mistake. And everybody makes a mistake. I've made many of them myself, and one of them was having the dealings with you because, you invited me to this site, and I should have known better. I dealt with you on songcast.net, and that was a complete disaster. And you pulled the same shit. You were in a bad mood, and the material disappeared. So this was, 3 strikes, you're out. My wife had put a lot of effort into putting her videos, and she has some wonderful videos of, music videos of great Canadian acts, and her vacation videos, just fabulous stuff, and you just blew it all off because you're the big man behind the computer. You just go click like that. As for telling your handful of users that you're on the verge of making it big, that's a fraud. Anybody just check Richard's Alexa rating these days. It ain't that great. So. I don't know. I normally wouldn't go on about this, but you just kept on poking it, and like I said, when you make a mistake, admit it, and you made a mistake, and my only mistake was dealing with you again, and well, that's okay because there's plenty other places to get traffic, real traffic. We never gamed your system. That's not what I'm about. We were actually trying to champion your site, and not because it was a great site, but you're indie. There were several videos that I posted giving you the thumbs up and thanking for your paycheck, and it wasn't much of a paycheck, and I never mentioned it. But like I said, $30 and you're calling it a paycheck. That's a fraud. Yeah, the dogs don't like you either, Richard. Richard Adams from Beach TV, besides being incompetent, is a coward. Here's his little post on his little Breach TV Facebook page. It really irritates me that someone who I thought to be an ally would do this to us when we were so close to really going big. The video response they posted was pure comedy. Calls us the fraud, but gladly took a paycheck from us last month from our supposed fraud. Cracks me up, and I'm actually glad to be rid of them. Cheers from Texas, turkeys.